With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given? A metal disc of radius r rotated with angular velocity omega about an axis perpendicular to its plane passing through its center in a magnetic field B, acting perpendicular to the plane of the disc. Now, what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the value of the induced EMF between rim and the axis of the disc. Okay. So, for example, this is our metallic disc, and the metallic disc of radius r rotated. So it is rotating with an angular velocity omega, okay, about an axis which is perpendicular to this, okay, passing through the center. Now, what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the this induced EMF between rim and the axis. So, for example, at this point and this point. So, for example, if we just take a rod, okay, if we join these 2 points, so it would be rotating, okay. So, what would be the EMF which would be induced? So, induced EMF, which is basically E, this would be equals to d phi over dt. Okay, so for example, when it would be rotating, for example, if we see this line, so area swept would be changing. Okay, so after a time period, when our dt is equals to t, when our dt, for example, at this start, we start from t equals to 0. After a revolution, our time would be equals to what? Capital T. So what is the dt? It would be t minus 0. Okay, now we calculate in this time what is the change in the flux. Okay, our d phi. So phi is basically b into area. So at the start there would not be any area swept, but after a complete rotation, what is the area swept? So at the start we say that our phi would be equals to phi initial. This would be equals to 0. But what would be the value of the final this phi? Phi final value would be equals to b into pi r square. Okay, this would be the value. So we can put the values here and we can get the value of the EMF. So our EMF would turn out to be change in the flux, which would be equals to b into pi into r square divided by the time period, because dt would be t minus 0. This would turn out to be t. We put the value of t, but t we don't know. Now, b into pi r square, but we know omega, and we know the relationship between t and omega. It is equals to 2 pi divided by omega. Time period is 2 pi divided by omega. So from this expression, this pi and this pi would be cancelled. So it would be b r square omega divided by 2. So this is the correct answer, b r square omega divided by 2. Now if we check the options, which option is the correct option? So in the A option, it is p, basically p represent pi, okay, p represent pi, okay, but this answer would be wrong. So pi omega r b square, this is wrong, this is also wrong, and pi is not coming, so it would be just omega b r square divided by 2. We can see omega b r square divided by 2. So the correct option is our D option. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.